Well, you own private equity through public equities like KKR.
Yes, because it's liquid. I mean, that's the problem with private markets. It's not liquid, and it's a longer-term investment. It's a great diversifier, again. But I'm an equity portfolio manager, and I like the liquidity. And KKR, yeah, I added to it because I do think private markets are still in the early innings. It is a very diversified company: private credit, private wealth, infrastructure, insurance. Real assets are 26% of their assets under management. And so they are, I think, and by the way, the stock's down 18% from its highs in year to date. So I actually think I'm buying this one. I also am buying Morgan Stanley because I do like Morgan Stanley. And I come back and I think about what the CEO of JP Morgan said 2 Mondays ago. Jamie Dimon said that business is incrementally better now than it was when they reported the first quarter, and net interest income actually could be $1 billion more than they expected for the year. That will benefit Morgan Stanley, Goldman Sachs, all of the banks.
But is this a bullish sign for stocks?
Think so.
Why not? Because if you have increasing allocation to 29% family offices on stocks from 24 just 2 years ago, which is the fastest shift in recent history, according to UBS. You don't think that's bullish for stocks?
No, sorry, I was answering a different question. I don't think it's bullish for the alt space. So you saying alts are bigger than ever?
No, I'm talking bullish for stocks.
I do think it's bullish for stocks because that unwind of that trade, right? If I have to pull that cash to go somewhere, I'm not going into something stable like treasuries. I'm putting that money back into stocks. That is a very bullish sign because it means I want to get my growth from somewhere. I've got to get it from the public markets if I can't get it from the privates.
And I do think they are so overloaded, family offices, on private investments. They're getting so many capital calls. So the idea of liquidity, where do I want to go, is in the public markets. And I completely agree. We own Blackstone for the same reason you own KKR. I think if you're going to play the alt space, you want to be in the supplier to all the wealth managers as to who's going to produce the best product for the wealth managers. And again, I'm not going to make a call who needs to do what, but they're producing everything under the sun, a new product of the day, a new fund, a special situations, a distress fund. You could just name them, and they're out there, and they're full fee. So the fee compression is not there on the KKRs and the Blackstones and Apollos of the world.